Dear friends, good morning. Today we will discuss soul healing of one of the main part of skeleton system of our body, that is spine. Now, to apply universal divine vibrations to self-heal back pain, first sit on a chair with your back straight and chant a small prayer before the Lord means the divine vibrations. O universal vibrations, I am praying for your help and guidance. O universal vibrations, I am having back pain in spine. Please come and help me. Thank you, thank you, thank you. After this, visualize or imagine yourself sitting in your abdomen as a small person or a baby. Focus on the lower part of your small person. Say to yourself, dear soul, mind, body, and sound of my lower back, I love you. I appreciate you. You have the power to heal yourself. You have incredible divine powers. Please heal yourself. Do a good job. I'll be ever grateful. Thank you, and thank you. Now, if your third eye is open, and that is possible, in case you keep on doing soul marketing kriya, Tripund Kriya, Nam Kriya, meditations, and regular prayers as per your religion. Few links at the end will be given for reference. Once your soul consciousness is raised, you can see the light dancing and shining in your lower back, mean the universal vibrations. Soul healing is already taking place. But you can ask for more healing from anything in the universe, because we are all part of it and children of God. For example, you may love being in the farmhouse, forest, church, gurdwara, or temple. Why not ask the forest or temple for healing? Just say, dear soul, mind, body, and sound of forest in the universe, could you come into my abdomen and heal my back? I am very honored and blessed. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Be very calm and visualize a beam of light green light from the forest flowing into the back of your small person. Feel the light, love, and energy of the forest pouring into your back. Feel the blockages melting away. This is very beneficial in back pain, and you will feel the difference within few minutes. Now, in addition to this, you should also indulge in spine by 3 simple ways to keep it fit and healthy. If you are like most people, you probably don't take very good care of your spine. As the years add up, this lack of care can lead to pain and put you at risk for serious complications. To help alleviate your discomfort and prevent future injuries, try making 3 spinal indulgences part of your daily routine. Number 1, take a walk under soul guidance. Walking provides numerous benefits to your spine. For example, daily walk strengthens the core muscles that support your spine, nourishes your spine by spurring healing nutrients to the area, improves your overall flexibility, and reinforces the bone structure of your spine. If you suffer from spinal condition, make sure to get the okay from your doctor. This is very, very important. Number 2, follow a healthy diet. You may not realize it, but the food you eat every day play a significant role in relation to the overall health of your spine. So avoid processed food and limit yourself to foods you would find in nature like vegetables, fruits, meats, whole grain, etc. Number 3, limit your phone use. Under Soul Order, we all spend too much time looking down at our phones and other electronic devices. When you stare down at your phone or other electronic devices, your head tilts at an angle of up to 62 degrees. This in turn places 55 pounds of force on your neck, muscles, and cervical spine. That's 45 extra pounds. So avoid you by holding your phone at eye level and elevate your laptop with a stand to reduce neck strain during the day in office. These 3 spinal indulgences may seem like small changes to your daily routine, but over time they can add up to meaningful relief. So, soul healing, along with these 3 indulgences, will surely keep your spine healthy till the last. Just try this method. God bless you.